K2 Black Panther in 2026. South Korea's armored apex predator is evolving. When you think of modern tank warfare, images of brute force and heavy steel come to mind. But in 2026, the real battlefield dominance comes from something far more refined: South Korea's K2 Black Panther. It doesn't just roll in with power, it calculates, adapts, and eliminates with precision. In 2026, the K2 Black Panther, already one of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world, receives a transformative upgrade that pushes it into a new era of warfare. Built by Hyundai Rotem and fielded by the Republic of Korea Army, the K2 has always stood out for its blend of mobility, firepower, and digital integration. But the newest iteration introduces cutting-edge weaponry, smart sensors, and AI-driven combat systems that redefine what a tank can do on the battlefield. Upgraded 120mm L/55 smoothbore gun, now compatible with programmable airburst munitions for anti-infantry and drone defense. Autonomous target tracking system, ATTS, AI-integrated fire control that locks on multiple threats simultaneously, even while on the move. KPS 2.0, active protection system, enhanced interception of incoming anti-tank missiles using smarter radar and quicker response mechanisms. Drone integration suite, real-time data sharing with UAVs for beyond visual range target acquisition. Thermal cloaking and adaptive camouflage, reducing detection by enemy drones and sensors. This is a tank designed for modern asymmetric warfare, from North Korean artillery threats to unpredictable guerrilla-style engagements in complex terrains. Unlike many Western tanks that rely solely on armor, the K2 focuses on agility, speed, and digital warfare capability. It uses terrain-adaptive suspension, allowing it to kneel for better firing positions or rise to cross obstacles with ease. The K2 Black Panther of 2026 isn't just a machine, it's a hunter built for the unpredictable future of war. Silent when it needs to be, but always watching. Fast, smart, and lethal. In the next generation of armored warfare, South Korea isn't just participating, it's setting the pace. And the K2 Black Panther is leading the charge with claws sharper than ever before.